Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art and Happy New Year's to you guys. Let's start off the New Year's with something cool. I'm going to be drawing Spider-Man for Among Us. So here's my full sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this will be the first drawing for the year 2021. Let's hope we have a better year than we did 2020. Alright, so we're going to start out by drawing the visor area first. It's one little curve like this, and then now we'll just extend out. So this part's going to be the same as all the Among Us characters. So just kind of come back in and close everything off. Alright, and then from here we're going to come in and let's draw the lower part of the body first. So right on the top right here, just come across. Just give it a little bit of a slant right there, coming down. And then same thing here. And we're just going to close this off. So come to right around here. Come down slightly lower. So this will be part of the costume. So we just connect this first, just one little angle. Okay, so now that we have this, we'll go ahead and finish up the top. Continue up here. Just one smooth curve all the way around. Okay, so that's the upper body, and then now for the lower body, we'll go ahead and finish up the legs, and then we'll add in the cool little details. Okay, so I'm going to start here, continue this. And then now come back to the center right here, this little point, come down, just draw a little slant. We're going to give it a little bit of a pose. We'll come down and then just round it out. So that's one leg, and then the other one's going to be slightly bent. Start here. Just curve. Just kind of round it out. Okay, so that's going to be the legs, and then let's draw in his hands. So let's start out with this one so that we can draw in the backpack behind it. Just come out to the side right here. Just one little curve like this first, and then now we're going to go out. And then right here is going to be a thumb. One little curve. And then for the other fingers, I'm going to come in slightly. I'll draw one curve like this first. And then now on the back, just kind of tuck it right behind there. Okay, and then for the backpack, so this one's easy. Just right around here. Come down behind the hand. Alright, so now for the other hand, it's gonna be slightly different. Come over here, come down, one little angle. And then on the top side here, this is gonna be the back of the hand. Just one curve like this first. And then now we can join the fingers. So for the thumb, coming down. And then for the other finger right here, come out straight. Just kind of round it out and connect that. So it's kind of pointing out. And then we're gonna draw one more, just right here in the back. Just one little bump. Okay, so now that we have the overall shape, let's go ahead and draw in the little webbings. So let's start right here. This little dip right here, I'll come up. So that's gonna be the center line. So we'll continue this. Let's give it a slight curve going out this way. Okay, and then right on the waist right here, one line coming in. So same thing here, but just a lot shorter. So this distance right here should be about the same. And then from this point here, we'll just go out. And then on this one, just go out this way. Okay, and then on the bottom right here, so we're gonna draw the webbings in here. And then for this one, let's go out this side. All right, so now let's add in the webbing. So I'm just gonna continue this. Let's go all the way across. Come over here. I'm gonna come down. Maybe draw one more here on the sides. And this one we won't be able to see it, so we'll just leave it like that. And then now between this space right here, come to the center. And then between this space, we'll find the center, and then from here we'll just connect this with a slight curve. Center of this. Now we're just gonna go up to right around here. So this part's a little bit tricky. Okay, so now that we have these lines going vertically, now we're gonna continue across. Okay, and then right here on the bottom. And then right in between right here, let's add one more just to even things out. Okay, so then for the legs right here, so this one's easy. We just draw one line right in the center. And then now for the fingers right here. So that's gonna be kind of the bottom of the finger. And then for the thumb, just across. And then now I'm just gonna draw one line across. And let's just divide up the space in here. Okay, so it doesn't have to be exactly the same, it's just as long as you have some of these lines. Okay, around the thumb, and then same thing here. I'm just gonna continue this, one line across, and then divide up this space. And that is it for my version of Spider-Man for Among Us. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.